It's me, Nolan from Kids Cooking with Nolan, and today I will be showing you how to make a cake for my aunt's birthday, which was yesterday, and she's coming to visit. So first we're going to wash our hands and set the oven to 350. Before we get started, I'm going to tell you what you're going to need. You will need 3.5 sticks of butter, well, 2 sticks of butter for your recipe, but this one is extra for your pans. Some extra flour, 3 cups of flour, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/3 cups of buttermilk, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 2 cups of sugar, 2 sticks of butter at room temperature, and that's all you're going to need. First, let's cut our butter. So you want to get a paper towel and put the butter inside, and then get your pans and smear it around. Now I'm going to do the other one. You should have 2 8 or 9 inch round or square pans. Now we're done with the butter. Now, let's add a little bit of flour to each one. First, you're going to want to put your 2 cups of flour in a bowl and stir with an electrical mixer for about 5 minutes. And also with your sugar, put your butter in. It can get a little tricky with stirring, so make sure to ask a grown-up for help. You want to stir the butter and sugar until it's fluffy. It looks pretty fluffy, doesn't it? Now, we're going to beat in the eggs one at a time. You would like, I put each egg in a separate ceramic bowl. We're also going to beat in the vanilla at the end. So, start mixing. Put 1 egg in. Now we're going to add the vanilla. Now, in a separate bowl, we're gonna put in the flour, baking powder, and salt, and we're gonna whisk that up. And now we're gonna bring this over to the mixer, and we're gonna put in half. That looks about half, and then we're going to mix it up. Don't worry if your cake batter gets a little lumpy and dry like this. that's just how it's gonna go. It'll get wetter once we put the buttermilk in. Now, we're gonna put in half of the buttermilk. And the rest. Now we're gonna mix it up. Now we're gonna add in the other half. First, you want to get as much batter in the bowl as possible. If you get some batter on your hands, just wash your hands again. And we're going to use a new spatula. I'm going to use this cool one that I have. It says, how do I want my eggs in my cake? It's very funny. So, we're going to put it about 2/3 full. Now, we're going to put in the other half of the batter. If you want a grown-up to help you with this, that's fine. And since this one doesn't have, we're going to spread this out first. And then since I have a little more inside my bowl, this one doesn't really have a lot, so we're gonna spread it around. Now, we're going to put our pans in the oven. Now we're going to bake it for about 8 minutes. Or 9. See you in a couple minutes. On the next part, we will be making the buttercream for the cake. Goodbye.